may space pa. Nagdabati ba tayo dito sa middle ng ano?
May space. May space para yung tiyan niya. Yung tiyan niya na full na kaapat na patata. Tapos sabihin niya pa, may bakante pa raw yung tiyan niya. Eh di, wow, unfair, you know that?
Translation.
Ay di lumabas yung English ko.
I have eaten 4 potatoes. Technically only 3.5. And then she's saying that I don't have any space. Like she owns my stomach, but I do have space. Like why? You just hate me, that's why.
I didn't hate you because I'm full. You know that?
You're full, I'm not full.
Ay di lumabas yung English ko. Aray ko. Lumabas yung English ko, guys.
Tapos ng English niya natin.
Nagkatago-tago kong English lumabas.
See, she's doing for the evidence. She's making evidence. Meanwhile, I'm also making an evidence for myself over here.
Ay, sana all! Yan, tingnan nyo, guys.
Because you don't love me, that's why you didn't buy me one.
Yeah, that's why. I didn't give you coffee because I don't love you. You know that? But I love you so much. You know? Aray ko.
See guys, she even said it herself. She doesn't love me.
No, I love you very much because you're my only one daughter, beautiful,
Okay.
and the world.
Then why didn't you buy me one?
Because your stomach is full, you know that?
Nah.
Aray ko.
Nah.
Lumabas yung English ko.
Nah.
Wala sa ayos ang ano na to.
Kasama ko.
Huwag kayo maniwala dito, guys. Sinungaling yan. Full yun ang stomach niyan.
Translation: do not trust me because my stomach is full. But no, my stomach is not full at all. I
Anong
still have
klase?
space for dessert.
Anong klase ka stomach? Ayan, guys.
Stomach pain.
Paniwala ka. May
May-
chips yan. May ano. Ipakita ko mamaya, guys.
Already.
Ipakita ko mamaya. Tingnan nyo. Sinungaling yan.
I am not sungaling. Would you say?
Sungaling?
Sinungaling.
Sinungaling. Oh. Pinagtripan niya yung pusa, oh. Aray ko. Kiti-kiti ka dyan. Kiti-kitian kita. Tingnan yung posisyon niya, guys, oh. Yan.
So cute. You're so cute.
Anong cute dyan sa dalawa na yan? Wala namang cute dyan. I-cute-cutean kita eh.
They are cute.
Hmm? Parang monkey dyan nag-upo. O, tingnan nyo. Hi ka muna, walang pira.
Hi.
Uy, tayo ka dyan, tinitingnan ka nila, oh. Dyan, dito na kami sa bahay, guys. Yan. Yan na lang pusa.
Teka lang.
Ayan. Ayaw niya umalis, hindi pinalis. Yan, guys. Andito na kami sa bahay. Ayan. Kapagod maglakad. Yung bulaklak na ako. Yan. Ang ganda na ng bulaklak. Ang dami ng bulaklak, nak. Ang dami ng bulaklak. No? Natabaan lang yung bougainvillea, guys. Hindi na namulaklak. Yan. Gusto ko mag-ano, nak. Tawag nito. Magdilig. Dry talaga siya. Oh, walang mga ano. Yan. Walang mga tubig, nak. Bibi! Di paano mo na kaya? Kasi mabigat. Ang bigat kaya lang. Bigat ito eh.
Kaya yun ang sabi ko, paano ano mo? Kasi yung bigat-bigat nito.
Ang bigat. Tapos, kasi talag yung kaya rin eh. Akin na! Damoy! Nabigat guys. Pinulong mo talaga? Pinulong mo talaga?
Yeah.
Dito. Kasi hindi na ako siya. Sana di mo man pinulong.